In this video, we will be creating a simple but useful thing you'll never know you'll be needing, so watch until the end. So let's get to it. First, we need to open Fusion 360. Then once it's open, we need to choose the top view. Then we click Solid and then Sketch. Then click the drawing space where you want the sketch to place in. For this, we need to place in top view. So once you can see a square in the drawing space, click that and a new set of options will appear. For this model, we will do a circle. So click the circle, and we need the circle that is 40 millimeters in diameter. Then we need to zoom out. From here, we need to create another circle that is 6 millimeters in diameter. Then we need to build a line in the middle, but not all the way. Then this line we need to offset by 1 millimeter in each side. Then click Finish Sketch. And what we need to do now is to extrude this by 1 millimeter. Then we need to fillet some of the edges by 2 millimeter. There, the model is done, and all we need to do is to save this. Once it's saved, we need to export it as STL file to prepare this for our 3D printing. After it is exported, you need to click Show in Explorer and click on the STL file, and that opens Cura. Once Cura is opened, all settings I have used here are all basic settings except for the print patterns, which I choose a line or a zigzag. I have printed one of these using concentric patterns, but it is not so strong. And one more thing that I changed here is the print temperature to 215 degree and the printing bed temperature to 65 degree. After that, click Slice. Once done slicing, save to your removable device. And that's our slice model. And now the next thing that we need to do is to print this in the 3D printer. And after that, I will let you see what's its use. So let's load the filament and let the printing begin. So this is now our finished product. And what is the use of this? Aren't you annoyed when this happens to your slippers or flip-flop? Sorry, I don't have Havaianas, but this will do. So basically what this does is to address this problem of strap always coming out, especially when you are walking. As you have seen, I have made this using 3D printer, but you can also do this using cutters and scissors and a piece of plastic or thick papers, which I will demonstrate you how. This sample is made of cardboard as you can see, but you can use plastic, which is more stronger. So that's it for today, and of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for you to be notified every time I upload new videos. And of course, if you have questions or you need any help, or if you have any suggestions or comments, don't be shy to ask in the comment section below. See you guys next week. As always, keep creating. Cheers!